አዎ
እም፣
እውላለሁ።
ውሎ እንዴት ነበር?
ጥሩ ነበር።
ኦኬ፣ ውሎ አሪፍ ነበር።
አዎ
ኦኬ፣ በጣም ጥሩ። ምን ስትሰሪ ዋልሽ ዛሬ? What did you do today?
today I went to school
እህ፣ እስኪ በአማርኛ
በአማርኛ
እ ትምህርት
ክላስ መሄድ
ትምህርት ቤት ሄድኩ። እህ
ሄድ- ሄድኩ
እህ።
ሄድኩ
ከዛ ምሳ በላሽ?
አዎ
ኦኬ፣ ምሳ እንዴት ነበር?
እ ጉድ ጉድ ጥሩ
ጥሩ ነበር።
ጥሩ ነው። አዎ ጥሩ ነበር።
በጣም ጥሩ፣ በጣም ጥሩ። እሺ today we need to revise that yesterday's lesson. So I will ask you some basic, very essential phrases, Amharic phrases, and you will tell me their meaning. Even it is good if you read it, if you read it by yourself. For example, na hisab taqabal, na hisab taqabal. Then na hisab taqabal means come and collect your money, the payment. Ashi, you start from this.
ኦኬ ደህና ነኝ
ይሆነልኝ።
የሆነልኝ
እሺ ምን ማለት ነው?
የሆነ የሆነልኝ
እም፣
I can remember all this.
ኦኬ ያ ኖ ፕሮብለም ኦኬ ይሆነልኝ means I would like it to be. I'd
I
like it.
like it.
I'd like. I'd have or I'd like it to be. I'd like to have something dash. There is dash. ይሆንልኝ. In Amharic, the dash is in the beginning. You mentioned the item's name here, and this
Mhm.
is verb. So in Amharic, verbs come at the end. So here you put the your just the subject and the item's name, the noun. እዚህ ጋር
Okay.
in English you will put it at the end. I'd have dash, I'd have dash.
So it would be, for example, shy የሆነልኝም
ጎበዝ ምርጥ ምርጥ ምሳሌ ቤስት ኤግዛምፕል ለምሳሌ ሻይ ይሆነልኝ ሻይ ይሆነልኝ
የሆነልኝ
አዎ ለምሳሌ ሻይ ይሆንልኝ አሁን I'd have like to have tea some tea ጎበዝ ይሄስ
um, okay, the next one ምንም ምንም ምን ይሆን ልኝም ይሆንልኝሽ ይሆንልሽ
ይሆን እልሽ ይሆንልሽ
ይሆንልሽ
ምን ይሆንልሽ means what would you like? What is the
yeah
meaning of men?
ምን what yeah
Oh, oh, there are so many alternatives. Something. What would you like? What would you like to have? Um, what can I get for you? ሌላ ደግሞ well, yeah, well, what would you like to eat, to have, to drink? እሺ to okay. Oh, what would you like? What would you like to have? ምን ይሆንልሽ? Yes.
ይልሽ እሺ ልጣቅ ልጠቅልልልሽ
ኦኬ።
ልጠቅልልሽ
ልጠቅልልልሽ
ልጠቅልልልሽ
ምን ማለት ነው?
እየጠቅልልልሽ
እም፣
don't remember.
እሺ ልጠቅልልልሽ means should I wrap it for you? እሺ yes
Um, እንዲሁ
ጎበዝ ምን ማለት ነው?
እንዲሁ አላውቅም።
ጎበዝ no problem እሺ don't forget its meaning now እንዲሁ means as it is
እንዲሁ
እሺ yes
um, ኤምስዲ ካላሁ
ኦኬ ጥሩ ግን there is no ከ sound here this one is wa this is wa
ዋ okay, yeah, ዋ okay. it was ያለሁ
እወስደዋለሁ
it was the ዋለሁ
meaning I will take it I will take it so እንዲሁ እወስደዋለሁ means I will take it as it is እንዲሁ እወስደዋለሁ I will take it as it is so I don't need to be it to be wrapped ልጠቅልልልሽ he asked you ልጠቅልልልሽ but you said እንዲሁ እወስደዋለሁ I will take it as it is እሺ yes
የምንጥጣስ
ጎበስ የሚጠጣስ
የሚጠጣስ
አሜዚንግ የሚጠጣስ ሚንስ
drink no?
አዎ
That's all I can remember.
ጎበዝ but when if there is s sound at the end it means what about some drink what about
Okay, what
do you want some drink or do you only want to eat the food yes
የሚጠጣ
means
I'll drink I will
Yep.
drink or something
የሚጠጣ means something to drink something
something to drink
የሚጠጣስ this is a question and this is just a word የሚጠጣ it might be water ምንድነው tea ምንድነው milk juice etc እሺ ይሄስ
ሁሉም አለ
ሁሉም አለ ምን ማለት ነው
we have everything I have everything ምናምን there is everything is available ምናምን
ጎበዝ everything is available in our store ለማለት ነው in our store in our ምንድነው ካፍቴሪያ etc እሺ yes
መኑ ላይ የለው
ያለው
ሁሉም አለ
ጎበዝ today you improved your Amharic reading skill very amazingly
I'm proud
yeah you were practicing yeah
yes
amazing you see how practice helps you makes perfect
yeah
how if we practice every day we will make a miracle in our language, in our education, etc. in our effort. So ሜኑ ላይ ያለው ሁሉም አለ means everything is available in the that is on the menu. Everything on the menu is available. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You will bring a huge improvement in a short time if you practice. She yes.
ዛሬ የለል የለለ
አዎ
የለ
የሌለ
የለለ
እም፣
ነገር የለም።
ጎበዝ። እስኪ ድጋሚው repeat it again.
ዛሬ የለለ ነገር የለም።
Amazing, amazing, amazing. That is amazing. Actually, your pronunciation is already improved, but when you add the Amharic reading speed, when you develop your reading speed, it will become amazing. Yeah. So that የሌለ ነገር የለም is nothing is out of stock today.
አዎ
ዛሬ የሌለ ነገር የለም። እሺ ዛሬ means today.
today
አዎ አዎ እነዚህ ይሄ ትንሽ ሰብሰብ ያለ ነው ለመተርጎም። እሺ ይሄስ
ወድቄዋል
ወደኸዋል።
ወድኸዋል
ጎበዝ።
ወድኸዋል።
ምን ማለት ነው ወደኸዋል?
I don't know that one.
Okay, ወደኸዋል means did you like it?
Okay.
For female?
Okay. Okay. ወደዋለሽ
ወደ
ወደሽ oh
ጎበዝ።
ወደዋል
ላ ወደሽ
ወደሽዋል።
አዎ ወደሽዋል። Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? እሺ yes?
ወደድ የሁልንም
ይሆንልኝ ይሆንልኝ
ይሆንልኝ ይሆንልኝ።
አዎ ምን ማለት ነው?
What would you like?
እሺ yes.
Oh, what did it? What would you like to drink?
እሺ ይሄ ምንድን ነው?
What did? Okay, milk. Okay, milk.
እሺ እሺ
Yeah. Would you like milk or something?
You are making a statement here by yourself. It is not a question. It is a positive statement.
Okay.
So you are choosing your what you want to take. ወተት ይሁንልኝ።
Okay, I would like to take milk.
እሺ you see here, yeah.
Yeah.
We said it before. ሻይ ይሁንልኝ with ሻይ.
Yeah.
I'd like to have some milk ማለት ነው።
Yeah.
ወተት ይሁንልኝ። I'll have milk. እሺ yes.
ይሳብ ተቅበል
ጎበዝ። ይሄ ግን ሂሳብ ተቀበል።
ሂሳብ ተቀበል።
Amazing. Please come and collect the money, the payment. እሺ
Okay. ወጡ እንዴት
እንዴት
ነው።
ወጡ እንዴት ነው?
ወተት እንዴት ነው?
ወጡ እንዴት ነው?
ወጥ እንዴት ነው?
ወጡ 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 እንዴት ነው means how is the stew? How was the stew? How is the stew?
Okay.
Ah. እሺ yes?
I'm telling.
ምን ማለት ነው?
I'm telling. I don't know.
አምጣልኝ means bring for me.
እሺ።
yes?
ሜኑውን I'm telling.
እሺ
Menu I'm telling. Or
ጎበዝ።
bring for me, right?
bring me the menu.
Menu.
When you add n on the object, it will become just it will become a object, an object. ሜኑን አምጣልኝ, bring the menu for me. yes?
ሌላስ?
ሌላስ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው?
Anything else or something else?
Amazing. Anything else? What else? Something else? yes? እሺ አንድ ላይ ሁሉም ባንድ together. አይተወው means
I only know like no is like
yeah.
That's the other one.
ተወው ማለት leave it. I will not take it. I will not buy it. No, leave it. I don't want to buy it. etc. When it depends on the context actually. So if you say "tow," you are saying like let it be, or you to cancel something, to not proceed. You can say "tow," leave it. እሺ yes?
ኪንታስልኝ
እሺ ታ family, there is not a family here.
ጤታስልኝ
ቃ
ከንስልኝ
ቀንስልኝ.
ቀንስልኝ.
Amazing. Please make the price affordable for me, or please lower the price for me. እንደዛ ቀንስልኝ. You see, it is only one word, so you don't need to speak all this stuff here. You can say ቀንስልኝ. Amharic is easy because words are very short. You can express yourself using shorter words. You see, ቀንስልኝ. Please lower the price for me. Oh, it takes a lot of effort to learn. እሺ yes? yes?
Okay. አይቅንስልም. ክንስልም
ል የለች.
Okay. ክንስም
አይቀንስም.
አይቅንስም.
I can't lower the price ማለት ነው። አይቀንስም means it is fixed. we can't go any lower, sorry. This is the best price we can offer. እሺ yes.
አይቀንስም?
Oh, means
Can you reduce the price?
oh, ጎበዝ. Can you reduce the price or is it fixed? Isn't it negotiable? እንደዛ can you reduce the price? እንደዛ ትክክል። ልጻፈው ቆይ can you reduce price? ጎበዝ አሜዚንግ በጣም ደስ ይላል። actually it is very something good to hear because you improved your reading skill in one day. Amazing. እሺ yes.
የመጨረሻው ነው።
Oh, ጎበዝ. It is the last price. That is the final price. የመጨረሻው ነው። Yes.
በጣም ርካሽ ነው።
Amazing. Today is very amazing for me. ዛሬ አጃኢብ ሆኖብኛል። እሺ በጣም ርካሽ ነው means it was dirt cheap. It is very cheap. በጣም ርካሽ ነው። very cheap. It is very cheap. በጣም ርካሽ ነው። እሺ yes. This one is very simple for you.
አለኝ።
እሺ ምን ማለት ነው?
I have.
አዎ አለኝ። እሺ yes.
የለኝም።
meaning
I don't have.
ጎበዝ yes.
ስንት ነው?
እሺ ምን ማለት ነው?
How much is it?
Amazing. እሺ yes.
ስንት ልስጥሽ?
ጎበዝ ትርጉም do you remember its meaning?
No.
እሺ how much should I give you? How much should I give you? እሺ yes.
አዮርግ
ደፋ this is
Okay.
ደፋ family.
አድርጉ or
Okay.
አደርግልኝ።
ጎበዝ this is for female, this is for male. So you can say አድርግልኝ or አድርጊልኝ።
አድርግልኝ
ምን ማለት ነው?
I forgot that one. አድርግልኝ።
እሺ yes.
What does it mean አድርግልኝ?
Okay, no problem. You will know that according to when you read this, right? It is very simple.
Okay. ስልክን
charge. Actually this is English sound. Charge.
Okay. አድርግልኝ።
እሺ አድርጊልኝ። እሺ አሁን you can understand this the word አድርጊልኝ means in this context. ስልኬን ቻርጅ አድርጊልኝ ምን ማለት ነው?
I think it's the one can you charge my phone?
Yeah,
Please,
but I think it's a little bit like commanding when it comes to Amharic.
Oh,
There is a lack of politeness, I think, because in English you can speak first the word police and you will conclude with your question mark. But in Amharic it is a little odd, you know, like a command.
mm,
ስልኬን
okay.
ቻርጅ አድርጊልኝ. Like for example, especially when we talk our sister, children, daughter, or wife,
Mm,
we command
yeah.
them. We don't ask them politely.
Okay.
But we ask strangers politely. ለምሳሌ when you go to somewhere and if your mobile battery is dying, you will go to a random shop and say to him, ስልኬን ቻርጅ ታደርግልኛለህ? Means like,
Mm,
could you please charge my phone?
mm,
እሺ እዚህ ጋር ግን ስልኬን ቻርጅ አድርጊ ቀጥታ ዳይሬክትሊ
okay.
በቀጥታ ይቺ ወርድ ጥላ ምን አይጽፍም ጥ አሀ አሀ ኦኬ ሽፍት እና ኮማን ነው ቀጥታ በቀጥታ ሚንስ ዳይሬክትሊ አሁን ይሄ አድርግልኝ ሚንስ ዋዳዝ አድርግልኝ ሚን
Uh,
do or make something for me.
like, right? Oh, to do something for someone.
ማድረግ is related to with doing to do something. So when you say charge አድርጊልኝ, just put my phone on a charger,
Yeah.
charging my phone.
Okay.
Oh, charge my phone. Actually, charge is here like a verb, like do or make.
Mm,
አዎ እሺ ጎበስ በቀጥታ ሚንስ ዳይሬክትሊ እሺ yes
um, እንደዚህ እንዱርግ
እሺ yes or ይሄ
አደረግልኝ አደረግ
ah
አደረግልኝ
read only the four letters here
አድርጌ
አድርግ yes
አድርጌ ኦኬ አድርጌ
እሺ ስለዚህ
አንድዙ
እ
አድርጌ
እንደዚህ
እንደዚህ አድርጌ እንደዚህ
ah do like this ማለት ነው እንደዚህ means like this እንደዚህ like this do አድርግ እሺ ጎበዝ ይሄስ ረሳሁት
um, አስጣ ይሄድ አስታ ይሄድ
አስተያየት
አስተያየት
እ
አስተያየት
እሺ
አስተያየት
አስተያየት
አስተያየት አድርግ
ጎበዝ አድርግልኝ ይሴድ አድርግልኛ but you can also delete ደ አድርግ you can say አርግልኝ
አርግልኝ
ah because we use the shortest form when you speak when you write we use d we put d አስተያየት አድርግ አርግልኝ means
to do right
አስተያየት means like when you negotiate about the price you use this term to ask the seller to reduce the price just for you just reduce the price for me ማለት ነው can you do any better on the price ግን ይሄ ኮመን እንግሊሽ ኤክስፕሬሽን ነው። ወይን ትራንስሌት ዳይሬክትሊ ፕሊዝ ሪዲዩስ the price for me. Please reduce the price for me ለማለት ነው። እሺ ይሄስ
mm, መከራከር መከራከር
መከራከር።
መከራከር መከራከር
አዎ ቃ ሳይሆን ከ መከራከር።
መከራከር
አዎ ጎበዝ። ምን ማለት ነው መከራከር? አርጊዊንግ። አርጊዊንግ እንዴት ነበር የሚጻፈው? እሺ አርጊዊንግ አምና ሹር about this spelling መከራከር ዲቤቲንግ ባርጌኒንግ ኔጎሽዬቲንግ ጎበዝ yes
እሺ ዘጠኝ
ምን ማለት ነው? እሺ ስጠኝ።
give me right እሺ okay give me
okay I will take it okay give me I will take it ይሄ ምን ማለት ነው?
ሰጠኝ
for female or male
ሰጠኝ ስጨርሽ ስጭኝ I think sitting is for men sitting
ስጠኝ is for man
for men
ስጭኝ is for female
for female
ጎበዝ። ሲሆን እንደዚህ እናድርገው። ለሴ የመጀመሪያው ለወንድ ነው for male then for female yes
ምግብ ስጭኝ
ምግብ ስጭኝ
ምግብ ስጭኝ
ምን ማለት ነው?
ምግብ food ስጭኝ give me right for female so give me food or something
ጎበዝ
I will take
ምግብ ስጭኝ like your mother for example your mother your sister you can say ምግብ ስጭኝ your servant actually there is another alternative to say ምግብ ስጭኝ you can say ምግብ አቅርቢልኝ if you hungry if you want to eat some food please ምንድነው ምግብ አቅርቢልኝ means just ምንድነው ማቅረብ bring እስኪ ቆይ to be 100% sure let me translate it let me translate it ምግብ አቅርቢልኝ deserve food በእንግሊዘኛ እሺ በእንግሊዘኛ please bring me food ማቅረብ means to bring something to near ማቅረብ deliver it's I think not common in English deliver please deliver food for me ምግብ አቅርቢልኝ please bring please bring ፕሊስ በአማርኛ ሳይሆን ፕሊስ bring me food ምግብ አቅርቢልኝ ማለት ይቻላል። when you go to your home you can say your servant ምግብ አቅርቢልኝ ምግብ ስጭኝ is like a little bit it doesn't fit at to say that for your servant it suits when you go to when you ask your mother for example because you need to be You need to look like someone that needed some compassion, yeah. Because you need to just you ask her in a way of begging her. You say ምግብ ስጭኝ ምግብ አቅርቢልኝ ኦኬ ሂዝ ቬሪ ምንድን
Okay,
ነው
but
ፕሪፐር አዘጋጅ እሺ ሄስ
ውሃ ስጭኝ
እሺ ምን ማለት ነው
give me water
አዎ ሄስ
አልፊላቂጥን
ጎበዝ only you need to make adjustment here
ቁቁ አልፊለቁጥም አልፊለቁጥም
ጎበዝ አልፈለኩትም
አልፈልቁጥም
አልፈለኩትም ሳይሆን አልፈለኩትም
አልፈለቁጥም
ጎበዝ 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 ጥሩ ነው it's a good improvement actually I didn't want it past ነው እሺ ሄስ
አልፈልግም አልፈልግም
means
I don't want
oh I don't want እሺ ሄስ
ልቅ
ልቅ ሳይሆን
ልቅ
ከፋሚሊ
ልቅ
ልክ
ልቅ
እሺ
አይሄንኝም
እሺ እንደገና
ልቅ ልቅ አይዲህን
ደ የለም
ኦኬ አይሄንኝም
አይሆ
አይሆንኝም
አይሆነኝም ልክ አይሆነኝም
ልክ አይሆንኝም
እሺ ምን ማለት ነው ልክ አይሆነኝም
I don't want to know
ልክ አይሆነኝም it doesn't fit me ለማለት ነው especially when you are buying clothes or shoes you say ልክ አይሆነኝም it is not in my size ለማለት ነው አይሆነኝም it is not for me አይሆነኝም only it is not for me አይሆነኝም also has a meaning ምን ማለት ነው አይሆነኝም
doesn't fit me
it is not for me again if you say look is size look is just look means just and in this context look means fit that something fits with you is ላንቺ ልክ ነው ላንቺ ልክሽ ነው means it fits you or ላንቺ ልክ ይሆንሻል ለምሳሌ አሁን ልክ ይሆንሻል the positive ልክ you said ልክ አይሆነኝም this is negative I say ልክ ይሆንሻል it fits you ማለት ነው it fits you ልክ ይሆንሻል ልክ ይሆንሻል ልክ አይሆነኝም or አይሆነኝም means it is not for me if you mention ልክ it doesn't fit me ይሆናል ማለት ነው እሺ yes
ትልቅ ነው
ምን ማለት ነው ትልቅ ነው ማለት
ትልቅ is a big
ጎበዝ yes
በጣም ትልቅ ነው ትንሽ ነው
ምን ማለት ነው? በጣም ትንሽ ነው።
It's too small.
አዎ አሜዚንግ 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 አውትስታንዲንግ። አሁን እሺ የስ
በጣም ውድ ነው።
በጣም ውድ ነው
Mm.
ምን ማለት ነው?
በጣም expensive. Too expensive.
አዎ ጎበዝ። it is too expensive። እሺ የስ
አያጤኝም
ይቺ ማናት?
ዋ
እሺ
አይዋጤኝም
አያዋጣኝም።
አይዋጣኝም አይዋጣኝም
ጎበዝ አሜዚንግ። አያዋጣኝም means I can't afford that. It doesn't ምንድን ነው I won't get any profit from it if I sell it in that way ለማለት ነው። ግን in English these are the ምንድን ነው the common expressions. It is not a good deal for me. I can't afford it. It is not worth it for me. እንደዛ አያዋጣኝም። እሺ ይሄስ
ስንት ናቸው? ስንት ናቸው?
እሺ ምን ማለት ነው?
How much is it for like many things, many objects ምናምን?
ጎበዝ how many are they?
How many are they? Something like that.
Amazing 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 amazing. እሺ this is very amazing. I'm really happy today because you improved your reading skill amazingly. This is a big improvement. እሺ now አሁን we will learn some common phrases we use when we are hungry. For example ምሳሌ ምግብ አልበላሁም means ምግብ አልበላሁም I didn't eat. So I didn't eat food. So you are feeling some hunger, yeah? ምግብ አልበላሁም means I didn't eat food. I didn't eat lunch ምንድን ነው? ላንች in Amharic ምን ማለት ነው?
ምሳ
ጎበዝ lunch is ምሳ። እሺ I didn't eat my lunch ምን ማለት ነው? eat my lunch አሁን already the main word is lunch here, so you know that lunch is ምሳ። አልበላሁም I didn't eat means አልበላሁም። okay so you will put ምሳ in place of ምግብ። አሁን ለምሳሌ let me show you, let me put it here. አሁን እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው what should do here? You need only to put ምሳ, the word ምሳ. so ምሳ አልበላሁም means I didn't eat my lunch. ምሳ አልበላሁም። but ምሳ means lunch, not my lunch. So to change this to my lunch, to change ምሳ to my lunch, you can add ye and n. ምሳዬን my lunch, ምሳዬን አልበላሁም I didn't eat my lunch. ጎበዝ። አሁን in this structure you can construct other sentences like I didn't eat my dinner, I didn't eat my breakfast. አሁን እዚህ ጋር let me put them break my break በአማርኛ ጻፍኩት my breakfast ከዛ dinner ከዛ ምን ነበር ራሴን አመመኝ። እሺ ይሄንን እንዝለለው let's jump this for now. እሺ I didn't eat ምንድነው ብሬክፋስት ምንድነው?
አላውቅም።
ብሬክፋስት ቁርስ ነው። no problem I will tell you it is mean ቁርስ እሺ ቁርስ አዛ አይ ዲድንት ኢት ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? አይ ዲድንት ኢት
አልበላውም። ሶ
አዎ
ቁርስ ቁርስ አልበላሁም።
አዎ ቁርስ አልበላሁም is a complete sentence. It is acceptable 100%. But to change to my breakfast, because it ቁርስ means only breakfast, not my breakfast. So to change to, like we say here, ምሳዬን አልበላውም. How do you change this?
ቁርስን
Uh-huh.
ቁርስን
አዎ ትክክል። ቁርሴን አልበላሁም።
ኦኬ
አሁን the only thing you need to hear is you need to change s to fifth letter say, then you add n. ቁርሴን አልበላሁም.
ኦኬ
But here we need to add ye, we add it. ቁርሴን አልበላሁም or ቁርስ አልበላሁም also acceptable sentence. እሺ አሁን ማን ቀረን? ዲነር. what is dinner?
ኖ አይዲያ።
No problem. Dinner is ራት. ራት. So how do you say I didn't eat my dinner?
ካርት አልበላሁም።
ጎበዝ። ራት አልበላሁም። እሺ አሁን አንበሳ ጎበዝ ሆነሻል። አልተቻልሽም። you are unstoppable. እሺ here I will delete my and it will become equivalent to ራት አልበላሁም. I didn't eat dinner. So how do you change this to like this?
አርቲን
ላ ይሄ ነው ራ
እርድን
ራ
እርድን
ራቴን
ራቴን
ራቴን አልበላሁም. I didn't eat my dinner.
ራቴን አልበላውም።
Oh, and you see, now first we add yeah here because this is misa. The sa is the fourth letter, but when it comes to course is አሁን ለምሳሌ መልሼ ይሄንን let me put it here and let me delete this one. አሁን course let's change to course አልበላሁም. I didn't breakfast. S is the fifth letter. Mano, the sixth letter. So if the last word is sixth letter, we change it to fifth letter. Kursen. T is also fifth letter. So when you change it to raten, my dinner, you can change it to fifth letter and add n. Here also change it to fifth letter, add n. That is how the grammar work here.
Okay.
And also this is on course only also acceptable. You can say ቁርስ አልበላሁም. I didn't eat breakfast. ራት አልበላሁም. I didn't eat dinner. or ራቴን አልበላሁም. I didn't eat my dinner. ቁርሴን አልበላሁም. So to say I'm hungry, I'm starving, በጣም ርቦኛል. በጣም ርቦኛል. ምግብ መብላት ፈልጋለሁ. I want to eat some food. ምግብ መብላት ፈልጋለሁ. እየራበኝ ነው። የሆነ ነገር እንብላ። ዛሬ ማታ ወጣ ብለን ብንበላስ? ኢዲሲ ለእኔ ዳሽ ይሆንልኝ። I will have dash. እኔ አቮካዶ በቪንቶ ይሆንልኝ። ኢዲሲ እና ይሄን ይመስላል። but now I have to go somewhere. Just I need your I ask your apology for that. I have to go to somewhere now. You will let me, and inshallah tomorrow we will meet. We will learn another lesson also. Also revise this lesson. You can get it using that link.
Okay.
Did you have the link? You have the link, yeah?
Yes, yes. Yes.
So you can access it through the link and revise it. When you read it by yourself, you will learn and notice a lot of things. And also, I'm publishing our videos because it helps you to to see your errors, to improve something that you are now struggling with. Okay, you can use it the video as a revision tool. Also, it helps you in a lot of things, I think. Yeah, it is
Yeah,
useful.
yeah.
Oh, it's useful. So ነገ እንገናኛለን።
እሺ ቻው።
እሺ ቻው፣ ደህና ደሪ